Samsung is developing a new mid-range Exynos chip that could be used in the Galaxy A56 next year. The chip, known by its model number S5E8855, is codenamed Santa, as reported by Galaxy Club. The Galaxy A55, which was released in March this year, uses the Exynos 1480 chip, codenamed Rose, and has the model number S5E8845. Based on Samsung's usual approach to devices, the 55 will likely be called the Exynos 1580. The new chip will likely debut in the Galaxy A56 next year. However, aside from its model number and codename, Galaxy Club has not shared any other details about the chip. This is likely due to the fact that there is no other information about the Exynos 1580 yet. The Galaxy A55 and Exynos 1480 were released just 3 months ago. The Santa codename is interesting, but it doesn't tell us what the Exynos 1580 will be like. The Exynos 1480 is a great chip with major improvements, including the first mid-range GPU powered by AMD. However, we don't think Samsung will make major upgrades to the Exynos 1480 for 2 years in a row. It would be great if Samsung focused on improving the NPU in the Exynos 1480. This would allow them to bring Galaxy AI features to mid-range devices. These features are exclusive to flagship phones for another year or two to sell more of them. However, Samsung may surprise us, just like Santa surprises kids every year. We'll update you as soon as we get more information about the Exynos 1580 and Galaxy A56, so stay tuned. If you need a new mid-range phone right now, the Galaxy A55 is a great option. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with you, Galaxy Go.